Your touchscreen works much like a smartphone. It displays and controls just about everything in your Tesla. The portion of the screen closest to you presents the information that's most important while driving. Drive mode, state of charge, and current speed show at the top, as does the detected speed limit of the road you're on. Below is your driving visualization. This animates your Tesla's perception of its surroundings and gives readouts for active safety features like blind spot monitoring. Driver assistance features like auto steer are also indicated here. When your Tesla is in park, tap here to control your trunks or charge port. Your map is the backdrop of most of the screen. Explore it by dragging, pinching, and rotating. Press and hold anywhere to drop a pin. Tap anywhere on the map to reveal controls for toggling satellite view, live traffic, points of interest, and chargers. When displaying chargers, these red pins are Tesla supercharger stations. The number on a pin indicates how many superchargers are currently available at that station. Tap 1 to see nearby amenities, the maximum charging power offered, and to navigate to the station. Enter a destination here, or use voice commands. Navigate to Giga Texas. If you need to charge to reach your destination, Trip Planner automatically routes you to superchargers along the way. Your passenger can control volume here. Spin the left scroll wheel to adjust volume from the driver's seat. These are your favorites, one-touch apps and controls that you can customize. These are your recent apps. Select one to open it, and swipe down to close. Select here to access the rest of your apps. Customize favorites by touching, holding, and dragging. Tap or slide to adjust temperature and reveal quick controls for rear and front defrosters, as well as heated seats. Tap Split if your front passenger would like to control their temperature independently. Tap the temperature itself to reveal your complete climate menu. Activate features like dog mode or your heated steering wheel from here. This is also where you position the airflow. Drag to move air up, down, in, or out. Your preferred airflow position saves to your driver profile, so even it's set exactly how you like every time you're the driver. You can manually adjust settings like fan speed here too. However, we recommend leaving your climate system in auto. In auto, your Tesla manages the settings to maximize your comfort and to get the cabin to your desired temperature as quickly as possible. For example, if the cabin is too cool, fan speed will automatically increase as soon as warm air is available. The easiest way to adjust climate is with a voice command. Set the temperature to 70. Activate climate from the Tesla app and your cabin will be comfortable before you get in. Explore features and settings within the tabs of your controls menu. You even open your glove box from here. This status bar has interactive icons for functions like driver profiles and connectivity. Select the Bluetooth icon to connect your phone for calls and media. Bring up the Bluetooth menu on your phone and then, on the car's screen, select Start Search. Once your phone's name appears, select it and wait for a prompt on your phone. Select Pair within the prompt and you're connected.